Hello everybody, welcome to my channel. This channel I published agriculture type videos like as harvest, farming, cultivation and fruits, vegetables, processing etc. Today I will show you the process of harvesting and processing onions by agriculture machine technology. Onions are cultivated and used around the world as a food item. They are usually served cooked as a vegetable or part of prepared savory dish, but can also be eaten raw or used to make pickles and tortillas. They are pungent when cooked and contain certain chemical substances which may irritate the eyes. In 2020, world production of onions and shallots was 4.5 million tons, led by the peoples of Republic of China with 20% of world total, and Mali, Japan, and South Korea as secondary producers. Now, I will show you how to cultivate onion. Onions are the best cultivated in fertile soils that are well-drained. Sandy loams are good as they are low in sulfur, while clay soils usually have a high sulfur content and produce pungent bulbs. Onions require a high level of nutrients in the soil. Perhaps is often present in sufficient quantities, but may be applied before planting because of its low level of ability in cold soils. Nitrogen and potash can be applied at regular intervals during the growing season, the last application of nitrogen being at least 4 weeks before harvesting. The first is the seeding process. Packaged seeds are planted and sown by machine. That is really useful. Additionally, growth is also a possibility. Growing onions from seedlings. This is a teeny onion growing machine. 4 row types. Uses of machinery in the harvesting of onions. High productivity field. The average onion grows in about 4 to 6 months are needed for harvest. So, machines are applied at harvest season to increasing output. Conveyors are used to move onions from the containers into the harvest. The preparation and packaging of onions being multifaceted in factory. So, I appreciate your interest. Like and follows. Don't forget to like, comment and share. Please subscribe my channel for more videos. Thank you so much.